All right, folks, Model Rockets 321 here, back at the field in Arizona. Today we're going to launch the xwingfighter, the Estes Maxi Brute kit from 1977/78, I think it was. So we're going to see what this does. We're going to have a couple flights, hopefully. I have maybe 2 engines for it. I forgot a part for the D12-3 engine, the little spacer for it. So it may just be on a more high-powered motor, which is the Aerotech E30 4T. It's going to send it really high and fast. Hopefully all goes well. See you on the other side. Estes xwingfighter going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, sweet. Parachute 3. Oh shit, did that really? Great.
That was the right motor.
Yeah.
I don't think you wanted to be on that.
Nice. So there we have the xwingfighter on the E30. Nice launch. Look like everything good. Maybe some, what we got here? Look like some bread broke. Definitely broke on landing. Repairable though. Parachutes came out. Nice launch. Parachute. Everything's good there. Nice flight. Yeah, definitely got some damage here, so we'll have to. Oh yeah. Okay. Repairable. That's still overall. That's good. The cannons are all good. Here you can see we have the damage here. So these are fixed. These motors definitely broke loose right there. So. Nice, the motor got kicked out. I don't know where the engine is. The engine's not in there. Oh, everything, where'd the engine go? So that's, the engine came out, but overall, pretty nice flight. Little damage. You lose points on damage in the competition world of this. You lose points when you get damages. The engine got kicked out, but pretty nice flight. What do you think?
I poo-barred it. You're right, it only records for like a second, 2 seconds.
Yeah, so I don't even know if my phone down there got it, but the engine got kicked out and some damage.
Oh, just, okay.
Nothing too bad. Yeah, not too bad. Like
nothing unrepairable.
Yeah, and that's on that land. You remember the stick that you have to put in a, into what's called the instructions called for this stick. But yeah, this is not bad at all. Like these two, I think they got torn actually, but not bad. I use epoxy on those. But not bad. That's all repairable stuff.
Yeah, that'll fix.
All repairable. Yeah, overall pretty good. Move this back a little. Rocks 321 here, folks. So that was the xwingfighter launch. I'm going to assess the damage. It'll be fixed. So that motor is really nice for it. I'm just going to look at some things, make things a little tighter, a little tougher, and be back out here flying it again, and some other ones. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And look out for Don's channel. He's thinking on doing something, planning on doing a channel, so look out for his. I'll talk about it. It's not up yet, but he may, in the future, he may have a channel. There you go, folks. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you all, and peace.